Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this series, we are going to start some videos for beginners who want to learn blockchain, smart contracts, and Solidity. So we're going to keep it simple and we're going to make it beginner friendly. We're not going to use any tough languages to explain what these are. We're going to be very precise and going to explain step by step how a beginner can learn, understand, and develop on blockchain in smart contracts using Solidity. So let me explain you what these things are. So there are three important things. One is the blockchain, which is the technology. Smart contracts are the programs, and Solidity is the programming language. Let me explain you what blockchain is. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that securely records transactions across a distributed network of computers. By linking data into chronological blocks via cryptography, it creates an immutable record that cannot be altered retroactively, enabling peer-to-peer trust without relying on central authorities like banks. In simple words, it's a shared notebook that thousands of computers all keep a copy of. Every entry is logged in and cannot be changed later, and no single bank or company controls it. So people can trust each other directly. That's what the blockchain, that's how the blockchain technology works. So nobody's in charge and you cannot fake it. That's why it's called decentralized. Let's talk about smart contracts. So smart contracts is actually the program, the 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 program that you'll make and execute on blockchain. So smart contracts are self-executing digital programs stored on a blockchain that automatically runs when predetermined conditions are met. They replace traditional middlemen like lawyers or banks by enforcing agreements through code, meaning trust is placed in cryptographic rules rather than human institutions. In simple words, it's like a vending machine. Once the condition is met, money goes in. It does its job automatically. No lawyer, no bank, no middleman. The code enforces the deal itself. So yeah, that's why it's part of the decentralized system. So what smart contracts do? They move your money, they run a vote, they track the ownership. So whatever the operations are, they track it from the ownership point of view. The last thing is Solidity. Solidity is actually the programming language in which we develop the smart contracts in. So Solidity is an object-oriented, statically typed programming language used to develop smart contracts that execute on the Ethereum virtual machine or other EVM-compatible blockchains. Contracts function as the backend logic, managing the rules, state, and data that permanently reside on the blockchain. In simple words, it's the language we write smart contracts in, like the recipe language for building those vending machines. It runs on Ethereum or similar blockchains and holds all the rules and data on the chain. So you can see the foundation is blockchain, then smart contract, and the Solidity. So blockchain, a shared record nobody controls or can fake. A smart contract, a self-running program that lives on the blockchain, and Solidity is the programming language we write the smart contracts in. So in the next video, in the next episode, we're going to see which tools do we need to create our smart contract and what plugins, packages, and texts we are going to use to develop those smart contracts onto our machine. So please subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions and stay tuned on this new series. Thank you.